Coat inner part making from outer part. So how to make coat lining pattern, finishing pattern making for coat. Assalamualaikum viewer, how you are? I hope everything well. So today I will show you how to make coat internal part, suit internal part, blazer internal part from outside part. So watch full video and like, share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon button for next video. Let's start. Let's see starting. This is coat outer part. Now I make inner part from outer part. See how to wrap and making coat internal part. So first I taking outer part, same I make and copy internal coat internal part inside lining part making from outside part. Make inner back neckline moon 2 inch shoulder, moon length 4 inch. Moon outer line drawing, back moon outer line drawing. 3/8 seam margin. Center back internal. Make moon cutting pattern and copy and trace from drawing for moon pattern. Adding 3/8 seam allowance. The cut inner back moon pattern. Moon green line. Here draw outer back part, same for back lining part. Here drawing outer finish same line for lining. Side band line marking. Back lining half inch bigger than out shell. 1/4 inch plus from out shell in internal part. Back body lining match to moon at neck area and cut. Added 3/8 seam margin for seam line at moon area. 1 inch flat and easy at center back middle area. Adding easy for center back line. Mark for green line center back lining part. Cut the coat internal lining part for back coat back lining part cutting. Coat back lining pattern making. Like, share, comment on this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Click bell icon button for next video. Nose mark at center back line for fillet. Coat internal back part cut 2 piece. Coat lining inside back part cut 2 piece. Coat side panel lining making. Coat side panel lining pattern half inch plus from outside edge line. 1/4 inch plus from outer side. Coat suit, blazer, lapel jacket, coat lining pattern making. The cutting coat side panel lining part. Coat side panel lining part. Now here I will make inner lapel from out shell pattern. Coat lining pattern making. Now I make center from inside lapel. Coat suit, blazer, lapel jacket in inside lapel making. Lapel shoulder line with same as the back view. Same. 3.5 inch lapel width at bottom hem. Inside lapel seam line join with lining and front inside lapel green line. The cutting coat lapel pattern. put lapel pattern, cutting finish, cut 1 into 2. Now here I will make front lining part side front, for lining part inside lining, put inside lining part making. Thanks for watching, like and share, comment on this video. Here adding 3/4 inch seam margin, put lining pattern making. Like, share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel. Please a like and comment on this video. Click bell icon button for next video. Lining part half inch bigger than lapel. Half inch flash at lapel seam line, lapel and front internal part swing time, front internal part some loose knee, 1/4 inch flash, front internal part at side seam line, green line, front internal part drawing finish, the cut. Now I will lining mesh with shell, inside lining mesh with shell. Now I make slip lining with shell. Here I draw shell same for lining, slip pattern making, slip lining pattern making. Slip lining pattern half inch bigger than out shell slip pattern, 1/4 inch bigger from outer slip. The cut slip lining pattern. Put slip outer part, put slip inner part. Now here I will make top slip lining part, top slip lining part drawing, put slip lining pattern making. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment on this video. Half inch bigger, put slip inner part at slip hem line. Here I added 1/4 inch for easy, and slip placket line. Green line. The cut top slip lining part, top slip inner part, put slip inner part cutting, shoot slip inner part cutting, put slip inner part. Thanks for watching. Like, share and comment, subscribe my channel, click bell icon button for next video. Put outer part, inner moon, back lining part, put side panel, outer part, put side panel, inner part, put central front part, outside, front inner lapel part, front lining part, under slip shell part, under slip lining part, put slip shell and lining part. Thanks for watching. Like and share, comment on this video. Now fusing part, side panel, full fusing, cut to center back moon, full fusing, cut 1, full fusing, block fuse, slip fusing making, 2 inch wide, 2 inch wide, fusing part, fusing part, sleeve armhole fusing part, fusing part, top sleeve fusing part at sleeve hem 2-inch wide, sleeve hem fusing part, top sleeve armhole fusing part 1.5 inch wide armhole fusing. Thanks for watching. Like and share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel, click bell icon button. 2-inch back bottom fusing, back body fusing at bottom, 1.5 inch fusing at neckline, fusing pattern, truss and make separate, all fusing pattern, truss and make separation for cutting fusing part separation, piece by piece cutting and attach on outshell body, back neck, shoulder and armhole fusing, back bottom fusing, back bottom fusing, back neck, shoulder, armhole fusing. Thanks for watching. Like and share, comment on this video, subscribe my channel, click bell icon button for next video.